Has been back, all set now, ready to race number 9. And the race is on. A small town lady from the outside, Conqueror by Daryl, yes ma'am. Moving up down on the inside is Vermont Senior G, My Chemical Romance. While entering number 3, My Chemical Romance, running at the tail of the field. Conqueror by about 2 lengths, Vermont, yes ma'am. Moving up by Daryl is Ako, ang boss, Senior G on the federal side, Small Town Lady running 6, and My Chemical Romance. And inside the last 650, Conqueror followed by Vermont in second. Yes ma'am, Ako, ang boss, Senior G, Small Town Lady racing on the outside. And out of far turn, Conqueror by only a length and a half, Vermont, yes ma'am, Small Town Lady on the outside. Ako ang boss, Senior G, My Chemical Romance, as they swing for home. 5 runners fighting it out for the lead. Yes ma'am, Vermont, Small Town Lady on the outside. Ako ang boss, yes ma'am, Vermont by Daryl, yes ma'am, Vermont, Small Town Lady on the outside. Yes ma'am, Vermont,